Have you ever dreamed of living in one of Europe's happiest, safest, and most business-friendly countries? Imagine riding your bicycle beside beautiful canals, working on your own business, enjoying excellent public transport, and experiencing a high quality of life every single day. But what if I told you that there is a special immigration route that many people talk about online, yet very few people fully understand? Some videos say it is the easiest visa in Europe. Others say anyone can apply. And some even claim it leads to Dutch citizenship quickly. But how much of that is actually true? Today, we are going to separate facts from myths. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what the Netherlands DAFT visa is, who can apply, who cannot apply, how much money you need, what documents are required, how the application process works, and the common mistakes that cause many people to waste both time and money. This video may be going to be a little bit long, but believe me, if you stay till end of this video, your concept about Netherlands DAFT visa will be clear forever. Most importantly, everything in this video is based on the official 2026 information from the Netherlands Immigration and Naturalization Service, also known as IND. There are no fake promises, no shortcuts, and no misleading information. So make sure you watch until the very end, because one small detail about this visa surprises many people and could completely change whether you are eligible. Now, let's begin, friends. What makes the Netherlands so special? The Netherlands is one of the most developed countries in Europe. This place gained recognition for its neat cities, picturesque canals, and flower-filled fields surrounding beautiful gardens, modern constructions, innovative businesses, and high-quality healthcare facilities. The Netherlands' quality standard of living, robust economy, and favorable environment for international trade are attracting tourists from far and wide. An eclectic mix of business people, experts from different backgrounds, students, or investors flock to Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Utrecht, Eindhoven, and The Hague annually. The Netherlands is also one of Europe's biggest trading countries. Many international companies have offices there, making it an attractive place for business owners. But today's topic is not about working for a company. It is about building your own business. And this is where the DAFT residence permit comes in. What does DAFT mean? DAFT stands for the Dutch-American Friendship Treaty. This treaty was created many years ago to strengthen business and economic cooperation between the Netherlands and the United States. Because of this agreement, eligible American entrepreneurs can apply for a special residence permit to start or operate a business in the Netherlands under simpler conditions than the normal self-employed route. This is why many people call it the DAFT visa. However, officially, it is a residence permit for self-employed entrepreneurs under the Dutch-American Friendship Treaty, not a separate visa category. This small difference is important because you may first need an entry visa, depending on your nationality, before receiving the residence permit. The biggest misunderstanding on the internet. Now let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. Many websites, social media posts, and YouTube videos make it sound like almost anyone can apply for the DAFT program. That is not true. According to the official Dutch immigration rules, the DAFT residence permit is available only to citizens of the United States who meet the treaty requirements. If you are not a US citizen, you generally cannot apply under DAFT. In the event that you are in a Dutch residency, you may need to apply for an alternative immigration route, such as the regular self-employed permit, specialized migrant permit, or work permit. This is one of the most important facts in today's video. If you remember only one thing, remember this. The DAFT program is designed specifically for eligible US citizens.
Why do so many people want this permit? Even though it is limited to US citizens, the DAFT route is still very popular. Why? Because compared with the normal self-employed immigration process, the requirements are generally simpler. Applicants do not have to pass the same points-based assessment used for many other self-employed entrepreneurs. This makes the process more straightforward for eligible Americans. But easier does not mean automatic and immediately. You still have to meet the official requirements. You still have to submit the correct documents, and you still have to satisfy the Dutch immigration authorities. Who can apply? Let's look at the eligibility requirements. You may be eligible if you are a U.S. citizen. You plan to start or operate a real business in the Netherlands. Your business activities are genuine. You meet the financial and administrative requirements. You comply with Dutch immigration laws. If you do not meet these conditions, your application may be refused. Can family members come with you? One of the questions people ask most is, can I bring my husband, wife, or children? The answer is yes in many cases. Eligible family members may apply to join the main applicant if they meet the Dutch immigration requirements. Although every family member must also meet the necessary criteria, submit the required paperwork, and go through the immigration procedure. Family applications are assessed according to Dutch immigration rules. Later in this video, we will discuss family residence permits in more detail. Do you need to invest a large amount of money? Many people think they need hundreds of thousands of euros. That is not correct. One of the best-known features of the DAFT program is the financial requirement. Under the official rules, applicants generally need to maintain a business investment of at least 4,500 euros. This amount must remain available in the business according to the official requirements. It is not simply money that you show for one day and then immediately remove. The investment requirement must continue to meet the rules during the validity of your permit. This is why proper financial planning is very important before applying. What kind of business can you start? Another common question is, can I open any type of business? Frequently, it is the case, provided that the business is lawful and follows Dutch laws. Examples include consulting, information technology services, marketing agencies, graphic design, photography, online businesses, import and export, e-commerce, business coaching, education services, creative industries. Your business must be genuine. It should not exist only on paper. Dutch authorities expect real business activity. That means your business have proper registration, meet legal and admin requirements. Can freelancers apply? Yes. Many successful applicants work as freelancers or independent professionals. Examples include software developers, business consultant, a marketing specialist, a photographer, a content creator, a translator, a designer. Your work fits into framework of DAFT if your work meets the standards of Dutch legal requirements and consider as self-employed. Must remember every application treats separately. There is never a guarantee of approval. Do you need to register your business? Yes, business registration is an important step. Most entrepreneurs will need to register their business with the appropriate Dutch authorities before fully operating. The registration process depends on your business structure and circumstances. Your business records should accurately reflect your activities. Good bookkeeping and proper administration are also important because Dutch authorities may review whether your business is operating genuinely. Can you work for another employer? This is another area where many people become confused. The DAFT residence permit is intended for self-employment. It is not designed as a standard work permit for regular employment with a Dutch company. Your main purpose of residence should remain your own business activities. If you plan to work for an employer instead of running your own business, you should carefully check whether another Dutch residence permit is more suitable. What happens after you receive the permit? Receiving the residence permit is not the end of your responsibilities. Your business must follow Dutch tax laws and remain legal. Also, genuine financial records maintained too. Follow immigration rules must. If needed, you have to follow the investment requirement. Failing to meet these obligations could affect future renewals,
so receiving approval is only the beginning of your journey. We have covered the most important factors.
The foundation of the DAFT residence permit. But now comes the part that many applicants worry about the most: the documents, the complete application process, government fees, processing time, renewal rules, permanent residence possibilities, and the common mistakes that lead to refusal. Those details can make the difference between a smooth application and a costly mistake. I believe now you understand who is eligible to apply for DAFT residency. So now we discuss application process, which is my important point. Many people think they only need a passport and some money, but the reality is different. Good preparation can save you months of waiting and reduce the chances of delays. So let's go step by step. Step 1, prepare your business plan. Before you move, think carefully about your business. Ask yourself, what service or product will I sell? Who are my customers? How will I earn money? How will I promote my business? Even if the DAFT route is simpler than the regular self-employed route, you still need a genuine business that follows Dutch laws. Your business should not exist only on paper. It should have a real purpose and real commercial activity. Step 2, gather your documents. The exact documents depend on your personal situation, but applicants are commonly asked to provide documents such as a valid U.S. passport, completed application forms, passport photographs if required, documents related to your business, proof that you meet the investment requirement, other supporting documents requested by the IND. If any document is not in Dutch, English, German, or French, it may need an official translation. Some documents may also need legalization or an apostille, depending on where they were issued. Always check the latest IND requirements before submitting your application. Step 3, register your business. Your business must be properly established. Depending on your situation, you may need to register with the Dutch Chamber of Commerce, known as the KVK. You will also need proper business administration. Remember that a real business includes real records. Keep invoices, keep receipts, maintain accurate bookkeeping, pay taxes correctly. These records may become very important later when you renew your residence permit. Step 4, meet the investment requirement. One of the best-known DAFT requirements is the business investment. For most business forms, the required investment is at least 4,500 euros. This money must be invested in your business according to the official rules. It is not intended to be a temporary transfer that is immediately withdrawn. The investment must continue to satisfy the requirements during your residence period. Step 5, submit your application. Once everything is ready, you submit your application to the Dutch Immigration and Naturalization Service, or IND. The IND checks whether you meet the legal requirements. They may contact you for extra documents, so make ready and always respond before deadline. Ignoring an IND request can delay your application or even lead to refusal. How long does it take? Processing times can vary. It depends on your documents, circumstances, and IND schedule. It can take weeks or months. Always avoid making important plans until you receive the official decision from the IND. How long is the permit valid? The first DAFT residence permit is generally issued for up to 2 years. If you continue meeting the requirements, you may apply for an extension. Renewal is not automatic. The IND wants to see that your business is genuine and still operating. Depending on the situation, they may review financial information, such as annual accounts, balance sheets, or profit and loss statements. Can you get permanent residence? Many viewers ask, can this be a lifelong job? Possibly, yes. After fulfilling the necessary conditions for permanent residency and completing Dutch immigration, you may be eligible to apply for Dutch citizenship or other forms of legal residency. However, permanent residence isn't automatic. All the conditions that apply at the time of application, including legal requirements such as integration, must be met.
keeping your hands off the road is not an automatic assurance of long-term residency. Is it possible for your spouse or children to work? Family members who receive residence rights under family reunification may have broader work rights than the main DAFT entrepreneur, depending on their permit conditions. Always check the
wording on the residence permit and the latest IND rules. Do you need to speak Dutch? For the initial DAFT residence permit, there is no general Dutch language requirement. However, learning Dutch is strongly recommended. It helps you to become part of Dutch society, understand culture, and helps you to communicate with customers. If your long-term goal is permanent residence or Dutch citizenship, language and civic integration requirements may apply. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's look at some of the biggest mistakes people make. Mistake number 1. Believing DAFT is open to every nationality. It is not. It is specifically for eligible US citizens. Mistake number 2. Thinking the €4,500 investment is the total cost of moving. It is not. The expenses of living, working, eating, traveling, and investing are all important. Mistake number 3. Creating an unfinished or inactive enterprise. Genuine business activity is anticipated by the IND. Mistake number 4. Insufficient documentation of business operations. Good bookkeeping is essential. Mistake number 5. Relying only on social media. Immigration rules change. Always verify information using the official IND guidance before applying. Is DAFT the right choice? If you are a US citizen who genuinely wants to build a business in the Netherlands, the DAFT route can be an attractive option because it has simpler requirements than the regular self-employed route. But it still requires commitment. You must follow Dutch laws. You must run a genuine business. You must continue meeting the residence conditions. This is not a shortcut. It is a legal pathway designed for entrepreneurs who are serious about building a business. Final thoughts. The Netherlands offers an excellent quality of life, a strong economy, and an innovative business environment.
For eligible American entrepreneurs, the Dutch-American Friendship Treaty provides a unique opportunity to live and work in the country through self-employment. But remember the most important message from today's video. Do not believe every video or social media post you see. Always check latest official update before making any decisions, because immigration rules and regulations can change or update with passage of time. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future updates about visas, work permits, immigration, and international career opportunities. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the very best on your journey toward your future in the Netherlands. See you in the next video. Remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.